Imagine getting a raise tomorrow. You'd probably be excited. But what if I told you that for millions of people, a raise actually makes them poorer? Not because they earn less, but because they spend more. Today, we're going to look at one of the biggest reasons people stay broke, even with a great salary. A bigger paycheck should make life easier. And in many ways, it does. But for a surprising number of people, earning more money doesn't automatically lead to building wealth. Why? Because as income increases, spending often increases too. A nicer apartment, a newer car, more expensive restaurants, luxury vacations, monthly subscriptions. None of these purchases seem like a big deal on their own. But over time, they can quietly absorb nearly every dollar from a raise. This is sometimes called lifestyle inflation. Instead of increasing savings, every increase in income is matched by an increase in spending. Imagine two coworkers. Both receive the same promotion. One immediately upgrades everything. The other continues living much the same way and saves or invests most of the extra income. 5 years later, they may be earning similar salaries, but their financial situations could look completely different. One has built investments and savings. The other is still waiting for the next paycheck. This doesn't mean you should never enjoy your money. The goal isn't to avoid spending. The goal is to spend intentionally. Financial freedom is often created by the gap between what you earn and what you spend. The wider that gap becomes, the more opportunities you create for your future. Another important habit is paying yourself first. Instead of waiting to see what's left over at the end of the month, many people automatically move part of their income into savings or investments before they begin spending. This creates consistency, and consistency is one of the most powerful tools in personal finance. Many people believe they need to earn 6 figures before they can build wealth. In reality, people at many income levels can improve their financial position by building good habits over time. The amount matters, but your decisions matter too. Building wealth is rarely about one perfect investment. It's usually the result of hundreds of smart choices repeated over many years. Every time you avoid unnecessary debt. Every time you save instead of spending impulsively. Every time you invest for the future. You're moving one step closer to financial freedom. Money should give you options. The option to travel. The option to change careers. The option to retire comfortably. The option to help your family. Those opportunities are created through small decisions made consistently. So the next time you receive a raise, ask yourself one question. Will this increase my lifestyle or increase my future? That single decision can change everything. If you enjoyed this video and want more practical money lessons explained in simple language, subscribe and join us for the next episode.